Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the source machine and the network. Plug both PCs into the same router or enable a VPN so traffic can flow. Once done, turn on file sharing or remote desktop on the Windows computer you want to access so the system accepts incoming connections. Make sure you know the source PC's IP address, a user account with permissions, and any firewall exceptions. This prevents surprises and speeds the next steps. Next, choose how you'll connect and transfer. If you need file-level access, use SMB by typing // plus IP into File Explorer, or use SFTP with an SSH server. To control the desktop, use Remote Desktop Protocol. Once connected, map the network drive or open your transfer client and drag the folders you need. Be deliberate. Preserve permissions, avoid copying active system files, and verify file integrity. This ensures you get usable windows. Finally, confirm you completed the transfer and close the connection cleanly. You should open key files and compare checksums to ensure integrity. If something goes wrong, first recheck firewall rules, user credentials, and sharing permissions on the source PC. These are the most common blockers. If you can't copy locked system files, boot the source into safe mode or create an offline disk image and mount it on the destination. This step finishes the job and protects both systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.